What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your Solo3 wireless headphones. Let's get started. Now, I previously made a video showing you how to reset your Solo Pros from Beats. So with these headphones, it's very much the same thing. Let me show you. So what you need to do for the Solo3s is hold down the power button, which is right here, and then the volume down button for 10 seconds. So here we go. Let me put it in a way so you guys can see the LEDs turning on once we begin resetting. So now it's holding it down. You gotta be a little bit patient. And then you're gonna start seeing the LED flash. Okay, you see it? You see the LED flashing? That means it's been reset and it's ready to connect to any device you're trying to connect it to. So this was the video on how to reset your Solo3 headphones. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I by no means an expert on Beats, but I always try my best to answer any of your questions, and if not, I always try to research it for you and give you the answers that may help you. So thank you so much for watching again. Take care.